Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for THORCHAIN or RUNE. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios a price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on a daily time frame and with the higher time frame stuff first. This was one of the scenarios that we had previously, saying that we had a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, this would be a 1 of something, probably a cycle 1 or just the 1 of primary. But yeah, this is suggesting that we have completed something up here. The second scenario was that we had a 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3, and this whole structure would now be a 4th. Now it is taking a bit more in time than we would like to. We are getting really close to the invalidation point of this idea at around $1.23. This would be invalidating when the price gets back to the area of wave 1 here. So that has to be kept in mind if we want to be playing these higher time frame stuffs or scenarios. Now in here we have quite a few different variations of these structures here, as we have quite a few three-way patterns here as well. I'm saying in this scenario we have this as an A, B and C, ABC and ABC. This would complete this larger WXY into wave W. Again, we have taken already the lows of this W here, and I don't really like this idea overall, as we did not really take out the previous lows of the W here with the wave Y in minor. The second idea here is that we had a W, X, and now creating a wave Y. The wave Y is starting to take quite a bit of longer time than I really want. But it's still viable. We can put even the X down here into this area, at which we would have this as a W, and this would be the X wave, and then we would be looking for a three-way structure coming down. Whether it's going to do it like something like this, or having completed this or doing that, I'm not sure yet. Then we have an ABC scenario, in which again we have this three-way structure. Why is this keeping every time it's rotating back to this color? So drawing template, white, maybe I can do that. We'll see. So the scenario here is ABC into an A wave, then ABC into B. Now comparing this structure A, B to, or this A structure to B structure, we can see that it is very small, making this less likely overall. But again, sometimes these don't, all the time wise, it just doesn't match up. This is a bit different on RUNE as well, as it has topped out here at around the May 2021, as the other cryptos had this pump here of November highs created. So again, we're not quite sure if this indeed is an A wave and then three ways to B. It is possible, at least on other crypto, that this is indeed a 5-way move here, whatever it was. To me, this looks like 1, 2, 3. If we count the wick, 5, and then 3 ways back, and then again 5 ways up to B. So ABC zigzag. Now let's take a look at the local structures here to see what kind of things we have. Now for this one, we have. Let's see, what scenario did I have this for? We were looking for a B wave, so in this scenario. So here we have a three-way structure. Nice, again reverted back to the yellow color for some reason. So A wave, and then we would be looking for B wave, and then the C wave for the X wave of higher degree. We can't go below the 1.618. Again, arithmetic scale, it would be on the minus scale or on the minus, so we can't really rely on that. Logarithmic should be used, at least for me, on this time, or at this time, as this is going to give us the only invalidation level we have. So in this case, we would have this as an ABC into W, ABC into X, a running flat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A wave, then B and C. Okay, so according to this one, we would be still looking for lower targets, And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's take a look at where did we land at the moment. I think golden pocket would be a good guess. And yep, right into the golden pocket again, which has happened quite a few times now on other cryptos as well. So if indeed we are looking for 5 ways down, we could be looking for 5 ways here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and possible 5. But again, looking at RSI here, at least on 1 hour, well, 30 minutes is not giving us too much clue, but again, it is saying that we have a new low on RSI here. So this most likely is a third or something, at least for now. So we might have an extension here as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, into third of this structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, possibly. Then we would be looking for pullback, at which again we could be looking for short opportunities, setting our stops up here and looking for lower prices. But yeah, that is that scenario. The other impulse structure that I showed you before on the previous video has been has been quite valid still. I removed the counts up here and moved this wave 1 downwards a bit, as it has now better look overall, saying that we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, completing the third down here. Now we do have a divergence between these two lows, we see that here, and yeah, that looks pretty good. Overall, we do have divergence between this third and the fifth as well. Not too large of a divergence, but it should be there. At this point, we would be looking for 3-way structure into this previous wave 4 area here. Again, starting from the $2.39 area to all the way to the 0.5 retracement of around this $3.79 area. That is our expectation for the wave 4. The 0.382 retracement of that third wave of this structure here would be around the $3 area, so we would be getting back to this structure here. On volume, we would suggest that as well. The most of the volume is here. Currently, if we are coming back down a bit, we could be getting into this volume area, and if we are indeed creating some kind of 3-way structure, we could be again creating 3 ways, getting stuck to this volume node here, and then pivoting higher again. Not necessary. We have already gotten to the 23.6 retracement, and basically we did hit the bottom of this previous wave 4 area as well, so we could be rotating down again now to look for that last leg of 5 waves for the wave 5 here. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to share on THORCHAIN or RUNE at this very moment. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below. Also, if you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments below. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.